Welcome back to our channel, and in today's video, we'll be diving into the world of passive income and how you can make money online with digital products. If you're looking for ways to generate income while you sleep, this video is for you. So let's get started. Before we delve into the details, let's quickly define what passive income is. Passive income refers to earning money with minimal effort on an ongoing basis. It's all about setting up systems and processes that generate income without requiring your constant presence or active involvement. One of the most popular and lucrative ways to earn passive income online is through digital products. Digital products are downloadable or virtual items that provide value to customers in various formats, such as ebooks, online courses, templates, software, stock photos, and more. They offer a scalable business model with low overhead costs and the potential to reach a global audience. Step 1. Idea generation. The first step is to brainstorm and come up with a compelling digital product idea. Idea generation is a crucial step in creating a successful digital product. By identifying your areas of expertise or passions, you can leverage your unique knowledge and skills to create something valuable for your audience. Conducting market research is essential to understand the needs and pain points of your target market. Look for gaps or problems that your digital product could solve, ensuring that it offers a compelling solution. Choosing the right format for your digital product is equally important. Consider your target audience's preferences and the type of content that would provide the most value. For example, if you're an expert in a particular subject, an online course might be an effective way to share your knowledge. On the other hand, if you have in-depth insights on a specific topic, an ebook could be a suitable format to deliver that information concisely. Remember, the key is to create a digital product that resonates with your audience and addresses their needs effectively. This will set the foundation for a successful and profitable passive income stream. Step 2. Content creation. After finalizing your product idea, it's time to create high-quality content. Content creation is a vital step in the process of making money with digital products. Whether you're creating an ebook or an online course, the content needs to be of the highest quality to provide value to your audience. For ebooks, start by writing and editing your manuscript. Conduct thorough research to ensure that your content is accurate, informative, and well-structured. It's essential to address the pain points of your target audience and offer practical solutions. Engaging writing style, clear explanations, and relevant examples can make your ebook compelling and useful. When developing an online course, create a detailed outline of the course modules. This will help you organize the content and ensure a logical flow of information. Use various media formats such as videos, slideshows, or audio recordings to effectively convey the course material. Incorporate interactive elements like quizzes, assignments, or discussion forums to foster active learning and engagement. Remember, the quality of your content plays a significant role in attracting customers, receiving positive reviews, and building a reputation as an authority in your niche. Step 3. Platform selection. Step 3 in the process of making money with digital products is platform selection. Choosing the right platform to host and sell your digital product is crucial for its success. There are several popular platforms available that cater specifically to digital product creators. When selecting a platform, consider factors such as its features, pricing structure, and user base. Look for platforms that provide secure and reliable hosting, customizable sales pages, and integration with payment gateways. It's also important to assess the platform's marketing opportunities. Some platforms offer built-in marketing tools or marketplaces that can help you reach a wider audience and increase sales. Take the time to research and compare different platforms such as Teachable, Udemy, Gumroad, or even setting up your own website. Each platform has its own strengths and weaknesses, so choose the one that aligns with your specific needs and goals. By selecting the right platform, you can enhance the visibility of your digital product, streamline the selling process, and maximize your passive income potential. Step 4. Marketing and promotion. Step 4 in our journey to making money with digital products is marketing and promotion. Once you have your digital product ready, it's crucial to spread the word and attract potential customers. Utilize a combination of marketing strategies to reach your target audience effectively. Content marketing can involve creating valuable blog posts, videos, or podcasts that showcase your expertise and provide a glimpse of the value your digital product offers. Social media promotion allows you to engage with your audience, share updates, and run targeted ad campaigns. Email marketing is another powerful tool to nurture relationships with your audience. Build an email list and send regular newsletters, exclusive offers, and valuable content to keep your subscribers engaged. Collaborating with influencers or affiliates in your niche can significantly expand your reach. Partner with individuals who have a strong following and align with your target audience. They can promote your product through reviews, recommendations, or joint ventures. Optimize your product landing page to maximize conversions. Use persuasive copywriting techniques, attractive visuals, and customer testimonials to build trust and convince potential buyers. Consider offering limited-time discounts or bonuses to create a sense of urgency and incentivize early purchases. By implementing effective marketing and promotion strategies, you can increase awareness of your digital product, attract qualified leads, and boost your passive income potential. Step 5. Optimization and scaling. The final step in our journey to making money with digital products is optimization and scaling. It's important to continuously monitor and improve your digital product to ensure its long-term success. Pay close attention to customer feedback and reviews. Listen to your customers' experiences and take their suggestions into account. This feedback can help you identify areas for improvement and make necessary updates to enhance the value and user experience of your product. Utilize analytics tools to gather data on customer behavior, conversion rates, and other key metrics. Analyzing this data will provide insights into the effectiveness of your marketing efforts and help you identify areas where you can optimize your sales funnel. As your digital product gains traction and generates consistent income, consider expanding your offerings. Diversifying your product line can attract new customers and create additional streams of passive income. It could involve creating complementary products, upselling or cross-selling to existing customers, or even exploring new niches or markets. To scale your business, you may need to automate certain processes such as payment handling or customer onboarding. Outsourcing tasks that can be handled by professionals or hiring a team can free up your time and allow you to focus on higher-level strategies and growth opportunities. By continuously optimizing and scaling your digital product business, you can maximize your passive income potential and build a sustainable and profitable online venture. And that's a wrap on creating passive income through digital products. Remember, the key is to provide value and solve problems for your target audience while building scalable systems that work for you. We hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and strategies on building passive income streams online. As always, if you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comments below. Until next time, happy passive income building.